Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kat, and I'm back for this video recipe for Italian almond cookies or Cantucci. In a bowl, mix well sugar, egg, and pinch of salt. In a large bowl, put flour, ammonia for sweets, and the mixture of egg, sugar, and salt. Mix well the ingredients, then add our butter and the sweet liquor. And now, let's give a shape. Brush with egg yolk. While the biscuits are in the oven, you have to flip or turn them to cook the other side. Finally, it's time to try our sweets. It tastes so good. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, subscribe to my channel.